Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding your finger on it, we can access some of its settings. For example, you can select the video resolution, you can select the sound source, you can enable microphone or just mute it, and you can also record touch interactions. To start recording, tap on this button once, and just grant all the accesses it requires, and after the countdown the recording starts. So let's record some of our screen, and then to stop recording just tap on this button here, and recording after that will be saved to the gallery, to the album videos, and here is our recording. So let's record some. So let's record some of our screen, and then to stop. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.